name is Rebecca Monteverde, and I am the Director of Marketing and Product Development here at El Paso Saddleblanket. I've been with the company for 10 years now, and I've created many designs and product lines that the company is known for today. So how about you come with me and I'll show you the warehouse.
Rebecca, how long has the company been in business and what is El Paso Saddleblanket best known for?
We've been in business for 54 years, and we're best known for Southwest and Western products, a large variety of products in those areas. And we're actually known, we would call ourselves the world's largest Southwest trading post.
That's amazing. Why do you think people like Southwestern and Western decor?
Well, in the recent years, I think it has to do with the films and the shows that, like Yellowstone, made it very popular. Also, it's a very Americana, nostalgic design, and I think people just really gravitate towards that. It's also a classic look, but at the same time a little bit gritty. It's not very polished. It's more connected to like earth and nature, with the turquoise and the wool fibers and things like that, and handmade products. So I think people really like that as well.
Yeah, it reminds us of home.
Yes.
Right? It's cozy. Can you show us one of your favorite products?
One of my favorite products, come right over here. So one of my favorite products is the cotton accent throws. We have them in a large range of designs. I'll show you my favorite one over here.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color? I really like teal, and we call these, this combination,
beautiful.
we call them the fire colors. Right, it has the reds and the orange and the yellows.
That's beautiful.
It's a perfect summer blanket. It's made from cotton, breathable, but you know, still has a weight to it. Very comfortable.
Wonderful.
So what is the fabric?
This is wool. This is cotton.
Oh, it's cotton.
Yeah. Most of them, they have like a jacquard weave, so they all have kind of like a backside as well. Great size, just for like the couch throw blanket.
For those Netflix nights.
Yes. Netflix binging nights.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing with us.
Yeah, no problem.